I secured a great 96% in my 10th standard boards, and perhaps it was possible only because of universal tutorials. In around July 2008, I enrolled for UT, and perhaps that was the best decision I had ever taken. UT has helped me a lot with my success. They have trained me for the tests, for the exams, and they gave me such confidence which helped me write my exams with such an ease that I didn't feel the tension which other students usually feel during their board exams.
It provided an apt environment which enabled us to manage time and perform well.
I think Universal Tutorials has helped me to gain a lot of confidence. Earlier I was scared whether I would be able to complete my paper or what will happen, but the professors are so kind and they are helpful, and they helped me to understand whatever is needed, and that's why my board exams were successful now.
Since I've joined Universal Tutorials, my academic performances have improved very considerably, and I want to thank all the teachers and faculty and Anubhav Singhal sir for all the great support they have given to me for the past 2 years.
The backward reading method of UT provided me a lot of confidence, especially during the month of February when I was totally confused how to go with my studies. UT helped me a lot, and thanks UT, and thanks to Anubhav sir. Thank you.
We got training on our health, what should we do, how we are supposed to manage our time, the timetables, the tests, the studies.
The faculty of Universal Tutorials, because they were always there to flawlessly solve all our doubts.
The teachers taught me very clearly, all my doubts were clear, and I could easily pass the exam as all the concepts were clear and the application was very easy.
I would like to mention the SST teachers and the biology teachers, Anubhav sir, Smita ma'am, Ash sir and all. It has especially helped me, UT has especially helped me to improve my maths marks, because I was scared of the subject, but now I really enjoyed it, and I like the experience very much. And I would recommend my friends who are in starting 10th, I would recommend UT to them definitely.
I would like to thank UT as it has really helped me in my weakest subject, that is physics.
I thank Rakesh sir for teaching accounts so properly and always encouraging us that you can do well in the subject. And I also thank Jury ma'am for teaching us economics so well. UT has really helped me gain confidence in accounts as well as economics. I've gained interest in economics, and I plan to do PhD in that subject.
And I think the chemistry lectures are just unforgettable. I cannot forget SB ma'am throughout my life, because she made me love organic chemistry, and I would love to do something in organic chemistry.
Hi, I'm Reshmi. I'm from DEV Airoli. I would say that UT is one of the best tutorials all over India. The classrooms are good, the study material given by the faculty is good. The best part of UT is the teachers. They're excellent.